Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be finding how to download Roblox in Google Windows 10. Let's begin. First you type Roblox, download, then you'll get the first one. Then we could sign up. Sorry for waiting 1 second. I'll just check the internet. Let me try again. Actually, I have Roblox I downloaded it in Microsoft Store, but I'll show you how to do it in Google. So basically, it will just show up like this. It's loading. And now it will come like this. Keep your birthday. So I was born at 2010, and I just type blah blah blah. I don't need anything, but yeah, maybe I'll keep my channel. There's no spaces. So it isn't so bad to type in. Someone was literally using my username. I just took mail, sign up, save it. Now it should basically just ask you some questions. So this is a lion. This is a lion. This is a lion. And this is a lion. The last one is this is a lion. So we're free to join the game. See? You can't really play anything yet. There's some couple things to do, I think. See? We say download, blah 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 blah. I'm done. You have to just select. First it will download like what's happening right now. Then this thing shows up. You say run, it downloads. Roblox is successfully installed. Okay, so let's continue doing that. I opened this, just connecting to Roblox, configuring Roblox. Installing. So after this taskbar, you'll get fully green if this game is installed. One second, guys. So basically, after the green bar will totally get done, we can start playing. You can see it's already halfway done. Uh, Next video, I'll be doing a video playing Roblox, so be ready. I'll play Brookhaven. Bye, guys. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.